This is Muhammad Ali, and he's a Jotun master painter. He helps people make their homes beautiful, and he takes great pride in the trust they put in him. In this tutorial, we will be teaching you how to achieve the exterior waterfall finish using our Jotashield Décor collection. For this finish, you will need an emulsion roller, a large scraper, a cleaning brush, and a small scraper. First, apply one coat of one of Jotashield primers as needed, and let it dry for 6 to 8 hours. After you're done priming the wall, you can begin with the real artistry. Using a scraper, apply a smooth coat of Jotashield Décor travertine. Allow the paint to dry for another 2 to 3 hours. Next, apply a thick second coat of Jotashield Décor travertine. Before the thick coat dries, use an external cleaning brush, creating vertical strokes starting from top to bottom to create the waterfall look. You've now created the perfect exterior waterfall finish design. Thank you for using this tutorial from Jotun, where we help you create beautiful exterior designs.